In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner does not include a dedicated print button for your board view, so printing usually means taking your plan out of Planner first. The most reliable option is to export your plan to Excel, because it gives you a clean, structured task list that is easy to format and print. This works whether you open Planner in a web browser or access it through Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Planner and navigating to the plan you want to print. Make sure you are inside the correct plan because the export will only include the tasks from the plan you are currently viewing. Give the page a moment to fully load so the menu options appear correctly. Next, look at the top of the screen near the plan name. You will see a menu icon that looks like 3 dots, or you may see a small drop-down arrow beside the plan title. Select that menu to open additional options for the plan. In the menu, choose the option labeled Export Plan to Excel. When you select it, Planner will generate an Excel file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in a Downloads bar at the bottom of the window, or it may go directly into your Downloads folder. Now open the downloaded Excel file. You should see your tasks laid out in rows, with helpful columns such as task names and other plan details. Before printing, take a moment to review the sheet and confirm it contains what you need. If the content looks wide, you may want to adjust the page layout in Excel so the columns fit neatly on the page. When you are ready to print, use Excel's print function. Go to the File menu and select Print, or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. In the print preview, check the orientation and scaling so the task list is readable and not cut off. Then choose your printer and print the document. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.